Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to create a server in Discord. Creating a Discord server is actually very simple. Go to discord.com and log in. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one first. Download the Discord app for Windows and then open it. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a plus sign. Click on that to begin creating a server. Next, you can select whether you want to create your own server and channels, or if you'd like to use a template. The templates have channels already set up according to the particular style of server you want to have. I'm going to select gaming. Next, I'll choose if this will be for me and my friends or for a club or community. I'll choose for me and my friends. Then we need to name our server. We can also upload a server logo, but that's optional. Finally, select create. You'll be taken to your newly created server. And that is how you create a server in Discord. If this was helpful, click the like and subscribe buttons. We have more helpful quick tech how-to videos coming your way.